Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making American style pancakes topped with fair trade bananas plus a delicious chocolate sauce also made with fair trade chocolate. Now firstly take a mixing bowl, then add 125 grams of plain flour. Also add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And as an alternative to sieving, simply quickly run a whisk through the dry ingredients to thin it out. Now, next take 1 large egg and crack it into a jug. Also pour in 150 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk plus 2 tablespoons of butter melted either in the microwave or in a saucepan. And now quickly whisk these ingredients together, then when nice and smooth, pour it into the dry ingredients. And again, using a whisk, carefully mix these ingredients together until nice and smooth to make your pancake batter. Now, next take a large non-stick frying pan and place over a high heat on the stove. Heat up a small amount of oil and then we can start making our pancakes. So for each pancake, pour enough batter into the frying pan to make a pancake that's about 4 inches in diameter. Leave your pancake for between 30 seconds and 1 minute until bubbles have just started to form on the top. And when this happens, we know the pancake's ready to flip. Cook for the same amount of time on the other side, then set all your pancakes aside. And now it's time to quickly prepare our chocolate sauce. So place a glass bowl on a saucepan with some simmering water in, then take 40 grams of fair trade dark chocolate. Add the chocolate to the glass bowl, then leave to melt. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of semi-skimmed milk and mix this into the melted chocolate. And then when your chocolate sauce is lovely and smooth, remove it from the heat. Also to finish off our toppings, take 1 fair trade banana and slice. And now we'll prepare our pancakes ready to serve. So top your pancakes with the sliced banana, then pour over that delicious chocolate sauce. And then serve your pancakes whilst they're still warm, and these are perfect to enjoy as a delicious sweet dessert.